Alright, so here is the stove using wood, just normal wood, dry wood, and you can see it's boiling within a couple of minutes. It's really fast, so that's great. It should be a long-lasting system. Okay guys, so basically we have here our three cooking devices. One is this one here, and this thing, the long items go here and here as well. This is the, well, you can hang this on a tree, and it's super light. It's made of titanium, this thing here, and you can also use it as a candle for candles, and it gives a lot of light because it reflects from the inside out. So this goes in this little thing here, and you can put this very easily in your well, let's get that away, in your well, sort of bug out bag, in a small bag. So this is really small, and again, you can hang it up. Basically that's the idea. The other one, there's another one here. Well, I would say the big one is this one here. This is made of IKEA stainless steel sort of bucket for like in a kitchen. I sawed it in half, and I used the bottom to put this slider, to put this little stove on. It's all alcohol, by the way. So with this one here, you can use, it's like a good wind protected system, because you can move this around a little bit and make sure that, so here it's open now, you see, for a little breathable, for airflow, and if there's a lot of wind you can put it like that. So that's one thing. And you can put this thing over here like that, and if you want to put the pan in here, you can with these little sticks here in the holes, you can put it one level lower. So there are several layers, and on the lowest level you can put these little sticks. It's in this little thing I made, and you can put these sticks on here, and then you can use the pan. And the advantages of this system is that when the pan goes down a little bit, it is out of the wind and it's more energy efficient. So, and also it's made of stainless steel, and this is made of titanium, so you can, in contrast to aluminium, it will not damage when you put a fire in it, like a wood fire. So you can make a nice wood fire in this and do everything the same, and it keeps the fire controllable, right? So that's the main system. So we got one, we got two, and now we got a third system, which is basically nothing more than a little stainless steel thing that comes with the wood stove system. which I found a little bit heavy. So I only use this thing here. You can put everything on it, a pan on it, a small one, a big one. So this is very dirty. And if you put this out of your bag each time, everything gets like black, you see. And by the way, that's why I got black pants, because you can really easily scrub it off. What I did, I put some flour already in this. It's the white thing underneath. I mix it up a little bit, and this is egg powder, full egg powder, and I will mix this through the water and the flour. So that, and then afterwards I will put a little bit of milk powder in it, and then just like mix it really well. And then afterwards, well, this is bacon. Bacon is, I like it really much with pancakes. Super nice food. By the way, there's maybe one thing you might consider is that this is water from the Hirdense Beek, which is right there. It's one of the few living, original, natural, flowing waters in the Netherlands. It's a really beautiful water. But I want to tell you that if you make pancakes, you might want to use like a filter. That's possible, but I don't have one. You can cook it, but then you have to cool it down. But I think, and I believe that this water is sort of clean, but you never know. But making the heating up the pancakes, they become so warm that the organic material will get destroyed. So it should get rid of bacteria. But I'm not really sure. I never got sick. I never got sick using this idea. Just put water in pancakes and make it warm. But well, it's an opinion. So now I've added the milk powder, and now it's a matter of stirring it, mixing it up really well. Of course, I need both hands until it gets really smooth. So I'm adding a little salt to it, which makes it tasteful. Salt and pepper, by the way, but that's fine. And then it's almost ready. Pancakes with bacon. Looks good. When packed, it looks like this. Frying pan, the small device, the large and middle large device, and well, the pancakes, the result can be put in here. Fits nicely. So that's about it. Good morning. A very good morning. The sun is shining on the tent. It's beautiful here. Really beautiful place. Beautiful spot. I have to remember this one.